Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE TechTalks. In today's session we are going to learn how to remove duplicate elements from a list in Python. Let's take one condition. Suppose we have a list that contains repeated values. Our task is to write a program that takes a list as input and removes any duplicates, ensuring that each element appears only once in the final list. So to achieve this, we can create an empty list, temp, and then iterate through each element in the original list. If the element is not already in the temp list, we append it. This way only unique elements will be stored. Let's see the uh, coding. Now first two statements are comment statements with the hash. This is to write the comment statement, which are non-executable statements will be ignored by the compiler or interpreter. So the first statement is we are reading the list, we are taking the list at the time of execution, and as I told you the function of eval in the previous video, so it is going to convert the data type which will be passed via it. So while passing the list we are going to use square brackets so that it can be taken as list. Now the second thing is that we took one more list which will be after removal of duplicate values, and the name of list is temp and equals to square bracket, means we have declared one temporary list and that is empty at the moment. Print command, original list is, so it is going to display all the elements of list which are original list elements. Now we have used this for loop to iterate all the elements, to visit all the elements of the list. So A is a loop index variable, A in LST. So what is LST? LST is a list. So it will go and visit each and every element of list. If A not in temp, it means the element which we have read from the list, and which if that does not exist in the temp list, then what we are doing, we are appending the emp and we are passing the value a to that list, so that element will be added to that at the end, and this will keep on going on. If this condition is false, we are not doing anything because nothing is to be done. We have to insert only elements, so we have inserted. After the end of loop, what we have done, we have converted this list into using the list function, and we have assigned to the variable val, and then we have printed using the print command list after removing duplicate and val. Let me try this on the script mode so that it will be clear to you after execution. So I'm saving it. I hope all the elements are at, all the statements are a proper indentation, otherwise we have to do the indentation. As there is no error, so it is absolutely fine. Now I have to save the file, so I am opening the location where I generally save my files. So this is the file for duplicate in list, you can say in list. Okay, so save, and it is going to ask for the list. So I'm going to enter a list 1 2 3 7 8. I'm taking any random numbers and suppose enter. So the original list have all the numbers which I have enter. I have entered 1 2 3 8 9 4 5 2 8 1 9. Now after that 1 is repeated, so 1 is only once, this one has been removed. Then again 2 is repeated, so only first occurrence of 2 is there. Then 3 is not repeated. 8 is repeated, so only once. 9 is also repeated, only once. And then 4 only once. 5 and 7. Let's try without using the square bracket as I told you in the previous video. So we do have some effect of the putting of square brackets. Suppose if I write this way only, it is going to give, it is taking as a tuple, and as there was no element repeated, so it has done the same way. Let's try once more with some repetition of elements. So I'm giving 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 7 8, 3 comma 4 comma 6 7 8. Is it giving? So it is even, it is giving original list this way, and then it is even removing the duplicate values. So I hope this is clear. I would like you to keep trying such codes, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CBSE Tech Talks for more Python tutorials. Keep trying. See you in the next video.